Well, it's an unrelenting rally in the equity markets. What's happening in the commodity space? Are there long trades or short trades? Manisha Gupta is here to tell us. Good morning, Manisha, again.
Morning, Lata. Well, there's a mix of long and short here, but definite gains continuing in case of the crude oil prices. This one has been quite volatile, actually. We saw strong gains, then some correction, consolidation is what we've seen, and then some gains come back in yet again. It is really how you can talk about 2019. But trading on at the highest point of this year right now, it's a 4-month highs for the crude oil prices on your screens. We have seen voluntary, involuntary output cuts come in from major oil producers, and that has been supportive. It also has to do with the demand estimates, which the markets anticipate will get better as we get into the next quarter. It also has to do with the decline in U.S. inventories in the previous week by 3.9 million barrels as refiners hike output, and that has weighed onto the prices. And then it also is about the latest news on how the two storage tanks in Venezuela have exploded. It's being assessed on how much crude has been lost there because of that explosion, but that is a sentiment value that the markets have seen coming into the prices. So nearly a percentage point of gain coming in yet again for the crude prices on your screens. The weakness in US dollar has been supportive for the metal prices in the recent days, but we've seen that one holding firm right now. Gold is still trading on the higher side of the range, holding above $1,300 per ounce. We did see $1,310 as well in the New York session yesterday, but $1,305 is how it is in the global markets right now. For the Indian markets, it also has to be about the rupee calculation that we see going in there. But as I said, with even that, there is some strength continuing. The Brexit uncertainty, the geopolitical tensions, all of that has been supportive for gold and silver being bought much in this week itself. For the metal prices, it's been about the Chinese trade data that came in the morning today, 0.5% up on month-on-month basis for the month of Feb. That has been a bit of a support. But then the US dollar, some profit taking, and prices had run up quite a bit. We are working with deficit for many of these metals, and that is the reason we are still trading at around 7 to 8 month highs for copper, for aluminum, for zinc as well. But some profit taking is what we are seeing. And also the US president's statement saying that he's not going to be rushed into making an agreement with China, and what they have from China is just a weak offer is what has led to declines in many of those metals. As I said, the individual fundamentals are still on the stronger side, and we've been telling you that nickel prices are up 30% in this year, zinc is up 16%, copper is up 12%. So all of these metals are trading double-digit percentage higher for 2019 till time. Trading strategies, and we have them from Nirmal Bang. It is a buy call continuing for gold. 32,310 is the target that they're watching for. For crude prices, they expect some profit taking. 4,010 is the level for today.
Okay, thanks, Manisha. You know, actually, mid-caps have now gone into the red. And the advanced declines have now dipped to 1:1. They were at 2:1. Some significant amount of profit is being taken off in stocks like Tata Global. They're still in the green, but it's about 1% off its highs. That's the advanced decline coming up for you. Likewise, a lot of the metal stocks have also given up the kind of gains that we saw, you know, SAIL and stocks, Vedanta, all in the green yet. But, you know, they're all beginning to shed a little bit. So a little bit of taking money home is definitely working.
Oh, absolutely. And in the broader markets, you know, a lot of stocks, the whole ADAG group is under pressure now. Relcap, Relpower, Relinfra, Relcom, all down about 2% odd.